So what is good guys, Adnan here, and according to Google's annual report, only about 1.1% of Android users are privileged enough to use the latest version. That's Oreo, and here we are already seeing developer previews of Android P popping up. In this video, I'll try my best to help you guys spruce up your experience by a few tips, tricks, do's and don'ts, ultimately converting the look and feel of your Android device to that of a Pixel. Before we begin, some of the features here require root while others don't. If you really want an exact replica of Android P, then I do suggest you use a rooted device running atop Android Oreo. With that out of the way, let's kick things off with the quickest way of attaining the look and feel of the Google's latest version of Android. Android N-ify is an Xposed module which is probably the quickest way at changing the gist of your system. Once installed, it tweaks the status bar to move the clock to the left and the battery percentage to the right, and also completely overhauls your notification and quick settings panels. The module also has a 4-star theme for the quick settings, and in my opinion this looks far better than the ugly white we've seen so far. This doesn't end there. The last bit of redesign is the entire settings apps, so now you have the colorful and rounded app icons which just gets things livelier. Finally, it also affects the app opening animations, and it's all just a bit more iOS-like. To install this module, you need root access with the latest version of Xposed framework installed. Just grab the APK link down below, install it and enable via Xposed. Give your phone a quick reboot and you're good. This module is really lightweight, and for the same reason you might want to grab this modded version of the latest Pixel launcher as you've seen in the developer previews. This is made by the same developer, and once installed, set it as your default launcher. You now have the bigger and more obvious dock, but now you can hop in the launcher settings, and under the new Customizability tab, you can tap to enable the new dynamic and split search bar, which I actually really dig. Moreover, you can choose the dark mode to get this really clean app drawer as well. Let's talk about the new screenshot editor that Google has unveiled in the dev preview. Markup allows you to quickly edit a screenshot once you snap it from the notification panel, and while the app isn't the most feature rich, it's still better than not having anything at all. From here you can crop your screenshot and also draw or write on it. Installing this is again as simple as installing an APK file, link in the description. Just a quick side note, you can install this app and potentially get the side volume slider, but this actually doesn't work when you press the volume buttons. This requires you to slide down the notification tray and tap on one of these icons to adjust the volume. That's pretty pointless and really just increases your work, ultimately contradicting what the feature is supposed to do in the first place. Last up are the little goodies, the bells and whistles if you may. You can grab some of the high quality and pleasant looking Android P wallpapers and even go up a notch to sideload the ringtones and notification tones. Speaking of notches, this incredible app from the Play Store allows you to... Okay, no, don't do that, please, I'm serious, just don't. Well, that's been it for this video. Let me know if this video helped you out in any way, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.